Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. Today we learn more hobbies. Gaming uses controllers and computers. Photography captures moments with cameras. Gardening grows plants and flowers. Knitting creates fabric with yarn. Collecting gathers stamps, coins, and special items. Gaming means playing video games. You use controllers, keyboards, or gamepads. Games have many types like action games, role-playing games, and strategy games. Photography means taking pictures. You use cameras to capture landscapes, portraits, and special events. Gardening means growing plants. You plant flowers, vegetables, and herbs in soil. You water plants and remove weeds. Knitting means making fabric with yarn. You use knitting needles to create scarves, sweaters, and blankets from yarn. Video games run on consoles, personal computers, and mobile phones. You play single-player games alone or multiplayer games with friends. Game genres include action games with fighting, role-playing games with characters, strategy games that need planning, sports games, puzzle games, and racing games. Cameras include digital single-lens reflex cameras, mirrorless cameras, smartphone cameras, and compact cameras. Photography genres include portrait photography of people, landscape photography of nature, street photography of city life, macro photography of small objects, and wildlife photography of animals. Garden plants include flowers for beauty, vegetables for food, herbs for cooking, shrubs for hedges, and trees for shade. Gardening activities include planting seeds, watering plants daily, weeding to remove unwanted plants, pruning to shape plants, and harvesting ripe vegetables and fruits. Knitting materials include yarn in many colors, knitting needles made of metal or plastic, knitting patterns with instructions, and stitch markers to mark rows. Knitting projects include scarves for neck warmth, sweaters for clothing, hats for head covering, blankets for beds, and socks for feet. People collect stamps from envelopes, coins from different countries, postcards from travels, and figurines of animals or characters. Collecting means organizing items in albums or boxes, displaying them on shelves, trading with other collectors, and researching the value and history of each item. Practice English questions and answers. Question 1. What do you play with a controller? Answer. I play video games. Question 2. What do you use to take pictures? Answer. I use a camera. Repeat these questions and answers to remember hobby vocabulary. More practice questions and answers. Question 1. What do you do in the garden? Answer. I plant flowers. Question 2. What do you make with yarn? Answer. I knit scarves. Repeat these questions and answers many times to practice speaking about hobbies.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.